Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Mac Time Machine. Connect an external drive dedicated to backups, open System Settings, choose Time Machine, and select your backup disk immediately. Turn on Automatic Backups and consider encrypting the disk for privacy. Exclude large folders you don't need backed up to save space. I'll walk you through restoring files, managing snapshots, and verifying your backups so you feel confident and prepared. To manage backups, open Time Machine Preferences and add folders to the exclusion list to conserve space and speed up backups. Rely on local snapshots for quick recovery when the backup drive is disconnected, and reconnect the drive regularly so snapshots transfer. Periodically enter Time Machine to verify that historical backups are accessible and not corrupted. I'll explain how to prune old backups safely and keep your backup strategy simple and reliable. Restoring files is straightforward. Open Time Machine, navigate to the date you need, and preview items before restoring. Select the file or folder and click Restore to place it back in its original location automatically. If you prefer manual recovery, use the Finder to copy files from the backup disk to any folder you choose. I'll show how to restore entire user folders, recover deleted emails, and handle permission issues during restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.